In this video, I'm going to show you how to dry clean your own upholstery, starting right now. I'm Carl, a certified cleaning specialist from Ireland. Welcome to another cleaning how-to cleaning tutorial. Some upholstery and rugs will have dry clean only on the label. For example, viscose is paper and cannot be wet cleaned. This tutorial will show you how to clean those items. I really don't want to read any comments saying that you've killed your dog by not having a window open when you're using solvents. There is an inherent danger to using them, so make sure that the area is properly ventilated. To dry clean, we're going to need a vacuum with a soft brush head, cotton towels, rubbing alcohol, a stiff brush, and a spray bottle. Does click. I'm really bad at clicking. I'm good at cleaning. Okay, so before we begin, 95% of soil in any fabric, this is really nice, it's velvet, it's lovely. 95% of dirt or soil in a fabric is dry. That means it can be removed dry. That means that we only have 5% of the original soil volume to deal with when we remove all of the dry soil. A great way to test the soil load of the chair is to bang it and see what dust comes out. Now guys, if you've got asthma or allergies, maybe don't do this yourself. If you've got somebody you don't like, or the kids, the mother-in-law, get them to do it, because you could give yourself an asthma attack and we really don't want that. If you really want to be freaked out, go out and bang your car seat. Some of you people are disgusting. Car seats are gross and they are going to have a whole load of dust in them that you didn't know was there. Right now, go out and bang your car seat and let me know what comes out of the car seat in the comments, because I guarantee you after watching this video, you're going to be dry cleaning your car seats too. So the dust in the fabric is going to be super fine, so I'd recommend using a HEPA filtered vacuum cleaner to vacuum the material down as you go. The reason I'm advocating a HEPA filter vacuum is not only will it capture the small particles of dust, it'll capture the dust mites themselves. This means that rather than the vacuum being a dust mite roller coaster that just fires them out the other end, it actually traps them inside the machine so they can't continue spreading allergens around your home, which is kind of nice because dust mites are gross. If you want to know more about allergen reduction, I've done a video on that which will be linked at the end of the video. It's really useful and informative if you've got asthma or allergies or indeed are sensitive to dust mites. So let's get on with the clean. As I mentioned, 95% of the soil in fabric is going to be dry, so you can take it out dry. That's why I've got a really stiff brush. This is a medical grade grout brush. You don't need one of those, you just need a stiff nail brush. You're going to work the pile clockwise and anti-clockwise to open it up and vacuum as you go. When you vacuum the chair then thoroughly, you should see a big difference in the appearance of the chair. You're then going to grab your cotton towel and your rubbing alcohol. You're going to lightly spray the towel with the rubbing alcohol. You don't want to soak it, just enough to allow the dirt to solubilize and migrate onto the towel. You're looking for the dirt essentially to get absorbed into the towel. The rubbing alcohol is just acting as a solvent to allow that dirt to migrate to the cotton. North, south, east, west is a good rule of thumb. I should add that it's probably best to wear gloves while you're doing this, but I completely forgot to get mine and I'm in the middle of filming, so I'm not going to stop. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's a decent amount of transfer coming out from the chair, which means that the process is working. So basically you just keep wiping the fabric until you're no longer getting soil transfer and then allow the solvent to evaporate. I've been using brand new terry towels on this fabric. The temptation is to immediately turn my vacuum on and start vacuuming out the lint that's been left on the fabric. Do not do that until the solvent has evaporated, at least an hour. Solvents are flammable and they could go into your vacuum cleaner and ignite. The likelihood is very small, but again, I don't want dead poodles and exploding living rooms. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. A nice simple tutorial for how to dry clean your fabrics at home.